Shake, 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 shake. We're making ice cream. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Emily?
Shaking.
And what are you shaking it for? What are you making in there?
Ice cream.
Shake it real good, Emily. Shake it hard. Shake it.
Sounds like water.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. What are those things called?
Ice cream magic. Ice cream magic.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
What are you going to have when you're done?
Ice cream.
What kind of ice cream are you making?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
What are you going to put on your ice cream?
Gummy bears.
Gummy bears?
My arm's getting tired. About 2 minutes left.
Keep shaking. Keep shaking until the oven beeps. Shake it really hard, Emily, so you can get good ice cream. Shake it. Keep shaking. You want yummy ice cream, you gotta keep shaking. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your ice cream magic. Shake it, sister. Is it cold?
Yes.
It's because the ice has got to make the ice cream in there. That's why we put the ice in the bottom. Shake it, shake it. Careful, Emily.
I just went flying.
Keep shaking. How much time's left in the oven, Eric?
16, 15, 14, 13, 12.
Keep shaking, Emily.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and...
All right.